It is a baby.
It's a very good sleep.
Yeah, he's sleeping.
Oh.
It has pats.
Gentle. Yes.
Still, it's patted.
You did pat him.
My pats.
I love this baby. I heard a noise. Can you pat him?
It's a baby.
It is a baby.
It goes sleep like this.
Oh, it does?
It goes sleep. That's a baby.
Do you know what his name is?
They buy it.
Baby brother. That's right.
Like a baby.
His name is Alex. Can you say Alex?
Alex.
Yeah, this is your brother, Alex. He's going to come live at our house, too.
See, that's a baby. He pat.
Be very gentle. Good.
You put the dark blanket.
Yeah, he's wearing a blanket. Wrapped up. Is he sleeping? Isn't he little? Oh,
Tired.
he's tired.
Tired.
All right.
Close the eyes.
Did he close his eyes?
And he go nap. You pat her.
Yeah.
You pat his nose.
You see his little nose and his little ears and his hair. Does he have some hair?
Yeah, right here, that here.
Yeah.
That's here, right here.
You have some hair. That's your little brother.
That's the brother.
Yeah.
That's
All right, say bye-bye. Bye-bye, camera.